Hello everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text, go to start chat and here you've got the current keyboard. I hope it's quite visible here, but I think you can see that it is English. Then to change it, just tap on settings icon, go to languages and tap on Add Keyboard. Let me pick, for example, Arabic. We can pick Libya. Tap on Done, and now you can remove unnecessary languages. Then let's go back, and as you can see, Arabic is applied, so you can smoothly write an Arabic. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.